Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense roller measurement unit from inch to centimeter in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show sense roller measurement unit from inch to centimeter. Now we go into the file menu option, then click. Now click for option, then show the interface. Now click for advanced setting option, then show new interface, then we select from display. Now we show the inch option. Now for select, then click for centimeter option. Now press for OK. That is, now you can see sense roller measurement unit from inch to centimeter. Now some from apply text. That is, now you can see sense roller measurement unit from inch to centimeter in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.